We are learning to read our dictionary card. In this movie, you're going to read the words on the dictionary card from A to F, and then when you can read those words, then you can use them in your writing. There are no words on your dictionary card under the letter Q. These are the words on your dictionary card under the letter R. Ran. These are the words under the letter S. Said, saw, school, see, she, sister, so, some. These are the words on your dictionary card under the letter T. That, the, them, then, there, they, this, to. These are the words under the letter U. Uncle, up, us. And the word under the letter V, very. These are the words under the letter W. Was, we, went, were, when, will, with, would. These are the words on your dictionary card under the letter X, Y, and Z. There are no words under the letter X. Under the letter Y, yes, you, your, and under the letter Z, zoo. On your dictionary card, there are also the days of the week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. If you want to write the numbers from 1 to 10, you can also find these on your dictionary card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there are these words that you may use in your writing on your dictionary card too: birthday, holiday, morning, night, today, tomorrow, weekend, yesterday. Remember, if you can read the words, then you can write them. Use your dictionary card to help you with your writing today.